Hi everyone, Yulianna here. Today I would like to talk about a very common problem, why you don't have enough money. We will see and we will talk and discuss 8 most common reasons why it's not happening, because so many people come to me and they complain that they work a lot, they do everything possible to be able to make good amount of money, but somehow unfortunately it's not happening. So let's start. One of the most common reasons why you don't have enough money, not as much as you wish to have, let's say, it's lack of responsibility. You simply don't take responsibility for your life. I know it might sound weird, I know you might not agree with me, but unfortunately, this is the most popular thing. You are kind of used for all the things that are happening in your life right now. You go to work, you do your job well, everything is fine, and somehow miraculously you think that your manager will come to you tomorrow and will tell you, okay, I would love to increase your pay for 20 or 30%. Unfortunately, it's not happening, and more probably it will not happen, because it's truth. Your managers wants to pay for you as less as possible, but you would like to make as much as possible for the same amount of time. So it depends on you and only on you, where you put yourself and how much you're worth in that way. So what I suggest for you, just simply take responsibility and go to your manager and talk with them. And tell him or her that you would like to increase your salary, you believe that you're worth more. Maybe you can take some action before, you can initiate some project, or you can finish something, or you can exceed their expectations, let's say, and then go to your manager and say that I believe I'm worth more. And then there is 2 ways. Or your manager will pay you additional money, or simply everything will stay the same way as it is right now, but you don't lose anything anyways. Or you will have more money, you will increase your income, or nothing happens anyway. In that case, when nothing happens, only way and only solution I see, try to go and research the market and try to find some different job. I know finding job is not the most pleasant process, let's say, to go through that interviews, resumes, cover letters, all of that things. It might be a headache, and you are kind of comfortable in your own bubble, in your comfort zone. But unfortunately, if you want to grow, if you want to make money, you must take that step. It's really necessary. In case you are an entrepreneur and you believe that you're worth more and you can make more money, so simply take action. Try to find some new ways to be able to promote your products or services. Try to find new ways to sell your products or to be able to market it. Try to create new social media channels if you don't have them, for example, on the most popular social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. If you have your profiles but you are not regularly posting there, this is the most common mistake people do. They don't post regularly on their channels. So try to post more regularly. Try to interact with your followers. Try to interact with your readers. And don't miss on new opportunities which you have from Reels or from TikTok videos. It's really important, and it will help you to grow your brand. It will help you in the end to grow your business and have more sales. So the main message here, you and only you are responsible how your business is doing and how much money you make. If you are a business owner and if you work for someone, only you are responsible how much money you make. And if you think and you believe that you can make more money, go to your manager and ask for more. Even in the Bible it's written, ask and it will be given to you. Don't miss it. Second very common reason why you don't have enough money is lack of self-improvement. If you want to have more money, you need to do something differently as you used to do it. You need to start doing some new things. You need to, and of course you don't know right now what you need to do and how to do. So you need to self-improve. You need to learn from those people who already have that results that you wish to have, who already make those money as you would like to have. So to have self-improvement, you can invest your time or your money. Nowadays, there are so many knowledge you can have totally for free. Just browse some YouTube channels, some people, some experts, even like my channel. You can find so many new ideas and so many tools that you can use totally for free. You don't need to pay money for it. But if you search something to be able to solve your problem and you found some course, maybe sometimes it's better just to buy that course, spend money for that course, and you will receive that information you exactly need right now, and you don't spend more time to be able to find that particular information you are looking for. So it's so important continuously trying to be up to date with your knowledge, continuously trying to know what's going on in your sphere where you work, what your competitors do. Try to see if you are on the same levels as your competitors. If you feel that your competitors is a bit higher than you feel that they do something differently, they have more clients, they have more sales as a result, just try to see what do they do differently and try to implement the same things in your business, or ideally do it better than your competitors. Try to learn the same things, improve your skills, improve your products, and as a result you will have more sales and you will have more money. In case you work for someone, you are not an entrepreneur, this is also very relevant to you, because all the time you need to have your knowledge up to date. Because anytime there might come someone who is better than you in something, so your managers will prefer that person. So to be able to avoid this thing, you need to self-improve yourself and have your knowledge to the highest possible level. And as a result, again, we go to the same thing as I said before. If you know that you self-improve yourself and all the time you improve your knowledge, it's easier to go to your manager and tell that I am worth more. I would like to have more money. I would like to increase in my salary. So believe me, if manager sees that you're worth that money, they will pay it for you because they will be scared to lose you. So don't forget, you need to work continuously on your own self-improvement to be able to be competitive on the market. Third most common reason is laziness. Procrastination is a very common thing that happens almost with everyone. Probably you know which things you would need to improve, but somehow you prolong that process. You procrastinate on them. In other words, you wait some better time, some better opportunities, or you talk to yourself, I will do it next time, or I will do it tomorrow, or some other time, I don't know which. But anyways, you do everything possible to prolong this process to do it. Remember, your actions create new energy, which brings new results. Try to implement your ideas as soon as possible. For example, if you know that buying a new machine for your business will help you serve more clients per hour, what are you waiting for? You serve more clients per hour, you make more money. Easy. Fourth reason, you don't use all of your potentials 100%. You know that you can do better, you know that you can make more money per month, but you are scared to get out of your comfort zone. So you just decide to do everything the same way as it is right now. Don't be scared. Use all of your resources, use all of your talents, use all of your knowledge to make that money. Fifth reason, you have some financial blocks, some toxic beliefs in your head. This is a very large topic, so if there is an interest to it, I can record a new video especially about this topic. But shortly, we can make as much money as we allow ourselves to make. If in your head there are some toxic beliefs about money, you will not be able to make a lot of money. For example, from your childhood, from your parents, relatives, or from anyone, you heard that there is not enough money for everyone, or having a lot of money is selfish, or wanting money is greedy, or having more money means I will have more problems. Money can't buy happiness, and so on. This is all very, very toxic beliefs, and you must replace them with some positive beliefs. Otherwise, there's no way that you would attract or you will have more money, because simply your brain is not letting you have more money. That beliefs that you have, they don't let you do it. You must replace them. Try to analyze and check which beliefs about money you have, personally you have. And if you found that you have some negative beliefs, just try to replace them with some positive. For example, there are enough money for everyone. I deserve to have a lot of money. Money brings new opportunities, and so on. I would suggest to you to replace at least one negative belief with a positive one per week, and in 1 year you will have more than 50 positive beliefs about money, which will definitely help you improve your financial situation. Sixth reason, lack of self-confidence. If you don't believe in yourself, in your skills, in your talents, if you don't believe that you're worth that money, you will not be able to say surely and confidently the price for your services. In other words, you will not be able to sell yourself, to sell your skills expensively. Remember, you say the price for your services. If you say it confidently, you know that you can provide high quality services and you are worth that money. Even your voice will sound differently. People will feel confidence in you, in your skills, and they will pay you that money to make that project. Seventh reason. Unfortunately, it's so common reason, and really I meet it so often. You simply don't know how to deal with money. You make a good income, you make good money, but you can't hold them. You can't keep them. You spend everything. You spend everything for entertainment or for anything else, for some other things, which will not bring you additional money later. Or you can invest that money, or you can invest some part of your income, let's say. You choose, you decide. It's up to you where you would like to invest your money, into the business, into stocks, into shares, into some companies, through banks, or you will go and you will start buying and selling shares yourself. It's really up to you, as long as your money generates more money. Try to make a rule and invest at least 10% of your monthly income, and ideally if you do it automatically. So basically you don't take part into this process. The best way I would suggest, and the easiest way, just simply go to your bank. If you have this opportunity in Canada, we have it, and I know in America they have it too. So just go to your bank and ask that you would like some particular amount of money to do it bi-weekly or every week or every month. It's how you feel comfortable to transfer from your checking account, let's say, to your investing account. I did it weekly. I have a couple of different investing portfolios. So I try each week to send some portion of my money to different portfolio. So I don't need to take part into it. I know that some amount of money every month will be invested, and I don't take part in this process. So I try to live and try to spend and manage my expenses, what's basically left. I treat it that way that I need to do that payment. Kind of I'm paying for something, I must do that investment. I know sometimes it might be hard to find that 10% of your income monthly and invest it somewhere because you think that you give away that money. Just try to have it in your head that you need to pay for something. You pay yourself, you pay for your future, you invest into your future. This is really important. If you can invest more than 10%, ideally great, but at least 10%. Try to do and work and collect for your future. The best way, what I would suggest for you, just to diversify your investment, just to be safe. Don't invest everything, let's say, in one company or everything in stocks. Try to invest small portions in different things. That's why I started with one portfolio. I wanted to see how it goes. It was a very secure portfolio. Currently I have a couple of them, and I see that all of them, they perform differently. Some of them better, some of them worse, but I feel safe and I know that I'm investing in my future, in the future of my child, and it's really important. Eighth reason, you don't enjoy receiving money. I know it might sound weird, who doesn't enjoy to receive money? But if you don't have that special feeling inside, that happiness that you made that money, that it's really yours kind of reward for your work, for your time, probably you will not improve your financial situation. It's really so important to treat yourself. Try to have some amount of monthly income dedicated for treating yourself. If you made that money, so you deserve to enjoy them. You deserve to reward yourself. It can be anything. You can go to treat your family and go to a new restaurant when you got your paycheck. You can go to some show, you can buy something, you can plan some trip. But the most important thing here, you must feeling rewarded for that money that you made. If you will not have that feelings, you will not have this inspiration, you will not have this wish to make more money. You will not see the point. Be proud of yourself that you made that money, and it will motivate you to make more. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. You found some new information. Please let me know in the comments if there are some other reasons you think why people are not making as much money as they wish to make, what might stop them from receiving that amount that they deserve to receive, to get. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please feel free to subscribe. I really would love to have you here. And please press that like button. It's really important to me because it will help algorithm to push this video for next 24 hours. Thank you again for watching and see you in my next video. See you soon.